Satan. Satan Pumba. Mina ba dikibeta? DJ shayenda kwa landmark. Shayenda DJ. This only how many minutes? This only 2 minutes. But we know 10 now. But we know 10 did him better. Someone did him better, did him better.
He wasn't there, President. He wasn't there.
Who told me Puku? Who told me Puku and Sagana Manga?
Yeah.
Matia Minan Jona is strong and Jona is page. You know what you call my big son and my page. So strong as she's stronger than she and Nika Shona the Shia. Relationship with Tamba, she can do Salashi. Nukashkona the Puguini. Moya wa Zemba Hungana Pula, Tambe Mamba, Aiti Luminchida. President Mangano Wata. Munwajika Bate, that must still Munwajika Bate. Now I tell you, Namuda, Puga Namuda. The more return, President Mangano Wata. President Mangano Wata. Kulungwani wa Zonga Basende Leti Panira Masimba Wale iti nyoka kasindi shono Wale iti mise Kulungwani wa Zonga Iwa pise pateka mahanuna Hamasati koreta munene Koki pata pima Maratata magantena tia Koki pata pima Mukune tutuka diri joni papa Mafano au china kande Haina mama nilabi papa Papa ishi mo papa Iwana manga sayapa Iwana manga sayapa Wata sana wafumo logo senifine Mashitaba Ya sis 2011 na Ya sashienga malembe nyana Eh mara misapotini Nipelen mawo mashina olovu Yipide edi kulu na wayuta Wala kele tauli kwa Mkwa wala kele tauli Wala lungu You are by confident, you are by proposition, you are passionate question. No voice, my voice in the way. You know the highlight, you know the Twitter. DJ, you can look show about that. DJ. DJ, that was a win. I love your telling, whatever you're telling him. Mention the DJ. Or a Chinese ones. I say DJ show the Russian. But if you look at the spoiler when I'm not Chiniago. But I'm Chiniago, no bushes, that's sunset. Hukumani kinaingia bani kama bisimileta wala wapo. Mara penma ndio kuna titi dokta na kwa jarwana mwana ndio ndio. Kana ina kwa hiti na bana na basis 2011. Say 11 years. Jende ki I miss. E pa forward hii. President Biden wa kuna vuno. President Biden wa kuna vuno.
Wanangona kile.
Baba kabamthela kumwanyana baba kabalungisa ngantabula ikhale kanjuma yina la